Hello, Alexander Turnbull here from René of Paris and Aderans. I'm speaking to you today from my home, and today I'm with Envious in Royal Emerald. This is one of my favourite pieces. I absolutely love this wig. This wig is a heat-friendly fibre. So what I'm going to do with you guys today is I am going to rework this. A couple of things with heat-friendly fibre pieces. What we need to remember, they're only good for a certain amount of temperature, so always read the label and look at what we suggest. And I suggest using hot tools with a heat signature dial to it, so where you can choose something medium. So just make sure that it's not going too hot, and if you're unsure, do a little test piece at the back first. I thought I'd go with something that we pretty much all have, just the flat iron. I'm going to do ribbon curls with the flat iron. So got a couple of clips here, so I just take a section, not too big of the section, just quite small, and I just let that go through like a ribbon, and then there we have it, a little curl. So I'm giving this style, it normally comes, like I showed you before, a bit of a kind of beachy kind of wave. So I'm going to go with more of a finished kind of look, and more of a finished kind of curl. So the ribbon curl with the irons is great, because when you do a ribbon curl you can decide if you're going to go, which direction you're going to go. So I change the direction a little bit, sometimes take bigger sections than others, and sometimes smaller sections. Now we do a lot of tutorials here at René of Paris, so subscribe to our YouTube channel, and look at our Facebook and look at our Instagram, and just check out all the different things we're doing on our website, and we've got plenty of different tutorials to show you, along with our amazing Texas Wig Fairy, who is part of the social media family, and the gorgeous Abby. So part of our social family, what we try to do is keep you as informed as possible, the latest ideas, tricks, techniques, advice, anything you may need on working with wigs, styling wigs, living with hair loss, all of the above. Giving this a really nice little curl through, and it looks fantastic. A little bit of a rework with ribbon curls. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten it back through. I'm just going to take a soft brush, just going to brush out the curl a little bit. I've just done. See how easy that is just to work through. Just going to get the iron now. And I'm just going a slightly straighter style. Just ironing it through. Iron that through. Never leave the iron on in one place for too long. there she is. Perfectly smooth through from where we had her originally, like glass. Gorgeous and smooth. That is heat friendly fibres, reworked into a curl, now fully straight. Hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Watch us on Instagram. Look out for Danny, the Texas Wig Fairy, Abby and myself. Check us out on the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us. This is Alexander from René of Paris and Aderans, and we hope to see you on another show soon. And yeah, give us your thoughts, let us know what's what, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye now.